Hi, this is Bassi, and this is a short standing meditation which you can use with your eyes closed or eyes open whilst standing anywhere, but ideally in a quiet, comfortable place. Now, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can stand without any distractions. Now, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, arms relaxed by your sides. Gently close your eyes if you wish. If you're doing this for the first time, it would be a good idea to close your eyes. And as you get used to it, then you can open your eyes and do this meditation anywhere you so choose. Now, gently close your eyes and take a few deep, calming breaths to settle into the present moment. Now begin by bringing your attention to your feet. Feel the weight of your body being supported by the ground. Be aware of your feet. Be aware of your toes. Surround your feet with your awareness. Move slowly upwards. Move your awareness upwards. Upwards through your shins, your knees, thighs, stomach, chest, neck, your hands, your arms, your shoulders, your neck, your chin, your ears, your nose, mouth, forehead, eyes, top of your head, back of your head. Just breathe in and out. Go through this again by yourself, from feet to head. Notice any areas of tension. Relax without judgment. Let go of all tensions. Just breathe in and out. Allow any tensions to melt away as you exhale. Now focus on the sensation of your feet on the ground. Feel the connection between your feet and the earth below. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, extending deep into the earth, anchoring you and providing you stability. These roots are reaching deep within the earth, deep within the earth. You're grounded. You're relaxed. You are here in the present moment. Now shift your attention to your breath. Feel the natural rhythm of your breath as it is entering and leaving your body. Notice the rise and fall of your chest and the expansion of your stomach with each breath. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to the sensation of breathing. Bring yourself back to the present moment, the here and the now. Now bring your attention back to your body as a whole. Notice any sensations, warmth, coolness, or tingling that you may feel. Be present within your body's subtle movements as you breathe. The gentle swaying or shifting that occurs let it be. If you can hear sounds in the background, let them be. The background noise of life will continue, but you will remain here in the present moment. Now take a moment to express gratitude for this moment of stillness, this moment of self-care, this moment for yourself. Set an intention for the rest of your day, focusing on how you want to feel and the qualities you would like to bring to your interactions. Now we'll go through some quotations. True victory is victory over oneself. A warrior's mission is to foster the success of others. True victory does not come from defeating an enemy. True victory comes from giving love and changing an enemy's heart. Failure is the key to success. Each mistake teaches us something. Be grateful even for hardships, setbacks, and bad people. Dealing with such obstacles is an essential part of training in the art of peace. The way of the warrior has been misunderstood. It is not a means to kill and destroy others. Those who seek to compete and better one another are making a terrible mistake. To smash, injure, or destroy is the worst thing a human being can do. The real way of a warrior is to prevent such slaughter. It is the art of peace and the power of love. The art of peace is medicine for a sick world. There is evil and disorder in the world because people have forgotten that all things emanate from one source. Return to that source and leave behind all self-centered thoughts, petty desires, and anger. Those who are possessed by nothing possess everything. Life is growth. If we stop growing technically and spiritually, we are good as dead. Aikido is not an art to fight with enemies and defeat them. It is a way to lead all human beings to live in harmony with each other, as though everyone were one family. The secret of Aikido is to make yourself become one with the universe and to go along with its natural movements. One who has attained this secret holds the universe in him or herself and can say, I am the universe. All the principles of heaven and earth are living inside you. In the art of peace, we never attack. An attack is proof that one is out of control. Never run away from any challenge, but do not try to suppress control of an opponent unnaturally. Let attackers come any way they like, and then blend with them. Never chase after opponents. Redirect each attack and get firmly behind it. Now within your mind, digest those quotations. You may still remember some of the words, some of the ideas, some of the pictures that these quotations made for you within your mind. Let them be. Let them float away. Let them go away. Come back to the present moment. Come back to the present moment. Let yourself be. Express thankfulness for this time for yourself. Notice how you are feeling. Notice what is around you. Do not move. Do not look. Notice with your heart, with your mind, with your soul. Reach out what is around you. Just breathe in and out. As you're breathing in and out, I want you to gently move your hand. One of your hands and both of your hands. Just let yourself be. Now take a deep breath in. Raise your arms above your head if you're alone. If you're somewhere where there are people, let yourself be. No need to do anything. You can stretch gently if you so choose. If your eyes are closed, open them. If your eyes are open, bring your awareness back to what is around you. With your eyes open, look around you. Inhale and exhale a few times. Acknowledge the peaceful energy, the powerful energy that you have cultivated during this meditation. Remember, the goal of this standing meditation is not to suppress thoughts, but to simply observe them and gently bring your attention back to the present moment, to guide yourself to the present moment, to the here and the now. As you practice this meditation, you will find it easier to remain focused and centered whilst you're going about your daily activity. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, and feel free to download this onto your MP3 or phone for your use. Thank you.